got a new addition to the fleet today. I've been more excited about this truck than any other RC car because I used to have a 79 Chevy K10. So let's get this thing out of the box, see what it looks like with some pretty plastic wrap still on her. It's kind of dumb that they don't give you the Bluetooth module with the radio when you buy a rig this expensive. So I'm gonna have to get that $15 module for it. Let me set this down so I can actually get it out of the box. Take some skill. This thing is mean looking. I love that it's got the real chrome grille.
Oh, that's greasy.
The nice trim down the side of her.
Greasy.
So the inner fenders are pretty cool. Been thinking about getting them for my 2 sport kits there. Keep some of that mud out. I don't think I'm the biggest fan of all the lockers and the 2-speed. I got a spool ordered for the front and rear end to do full lockers. I think I'll probably keep the front locker and then just put the spool in the back. That way I can still unlock the front end and get around some tight stuff. Now I got some goodies for this thing. Not gonna put them on quite yet, but there'll be a bit of a trail build series coming up this summer. Got a quick run 1080 hobby wing, 45 turn Holmes Hobbies motor. Got lots of brass for it, and more coming, and a couple different sets of wheels I want to try. We're gonna go to some 1.9 inch BFG mud terrains and the deep dish steel wheels, because that's exactly what I had on my square body when I was young. So we're gonna match this thing up pretty good. So that's about it for this video. I'm gonna have this thing going, my kit, real soon here. Just finished getting it together. Just gotta put in the receiver, and so till next time guys, have a good one.